So here are 3 mistakes you're making in Excel. You're using the wheel mouse to scroll down, or you're using this bar to scroll down, or you're using the cursor keys to scroll down. And this list, for the record, goes to 1,000. And I just did that by holding down the Control key. That's your first hack. Control arrow down zooms you to the end of the list. If I'm in a blank cell, I go Control arrow down. It's going to take me to the 1,048,576 row. Same thing if I go Control arrow right, takes me to the last cell in the spreadsheet. Now I'm just going back to the beginning. Now the Shift key is like holding down the mouse button, okay, and dragging down like this. Now what do you think happens when you go Control Shift arrow down? Highlights and goes to the end of a list. So stop scrolling. And the other thing is, my biggest pet peeve is people who don't have freeze panes turned on. So let's right click on this and insert a column, and let's put in just a heading here. We'll call it number. We'll bold these two. And as soon as I go down, I lose the heading. So what I want to do is click on row 1 here, go view, freeze panes, and freeze the top row. Now when I scroll down, that heading stays at the top no matter if I go to the very bottom or not. Okay. The next thing is the fill handle. So you're not going to touch, this cell is equal to H2 times G $2. Dollar is another, a whole other lesson. So you're going to double click on this fill handle. Assuming you've got a column of numbers next to you, if I double click on this little square that's in the bottom right hand corner, it'll fill the formula down to the bottom. Boom. That saved me hours and hours of dragging that mouse down, right? So we've got freeze panes, we've got shortcuts, and we've got the fill handle. Those are your solutions to the 3 biggest mistakes. Thanks for watching.